Hey guys, little video here. I got Nora on the bottom right, Frankie. Now Frankie will soon be pounding on the television screen. And these two cats do not get along too well. They stay away from each other. Frankie stays away from Nora. But they're cats, so when they see a bird, they're interested. Oh, look at that bird looking right at her. Nora's looking up there. Hey, Nora. Psst, psst. Yeah, so I'll leave that on for a while until they get sick of it. All right, thanks for watching. Nora and Frankie, or Frankie and Nora.